Hello, it's Noreen from Joya Cards again. And guess what? Yay! We can now order from the Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. Yeah, woohoo! And this is August to December. If you need a catalog and you want to place an order, I'll send you one, but these do cost me money, so if you're not going to do it, just watch the video. Anyway, so let's go ahead. I can actually open this puppy up. Woo! Now, in the beginning, they have some of their, gobbledygook. Anyway, so we've got these going on, and look at that. And I do have some of these things here next to me. I kind of pre-ordered them. I do have the gift wrap, and this is the gift wrap. I thought this was adorable, and I thought this would be good for like birthdays and stuff, any kind of celebration where there's a gift involved. So I grabbed this one for sure. I just ordered the Dove of Hope, and look at that. We've got the poinsettia, we've got a manger one, we've got, oh, they brought back Brightly Gleaming. Woohoo! This is from last year, and I love this paper. I held on to it, so I knew it was coming back. And then they've got some candles. I just ordered the gnome one. I think gnomes are cool. And my son just hates them, so he's getting a gnome Christmas card. And I just ordered, oh, they've got the red and green foil sheets. Ta-da! That's important. How can you do a Christmas card without red and green, right? And then they've got this Trimming the Town. The Moose Punch is back. Woohoo! Moosey's back. So if you missed it last year, it's available. So you can get the Moosey back. Yay! And then they also have this plaid paper, and I don't know where mine is at the moment, but I've got that too. Then we've got some Wonder of the Season. So these beautiful reindeer here. And oh, the embossing folder, I have that one on my desk here somewhere. That one's cool. That would be not only Christmas, but all kinds of other things you could use this for. I like doing scenes and everything with inking and all that. The Tidings designer paper. Oh, here I just ordered the Snowflake Splendor one. This is really pretty. I did get the paper first. I don't know why. So I've got the paper, and this is really, really spectacular because there's some sentiments that are Christmassy and ones that are kind of generic. So if you're making Christmas cards for your business or anything, you can do that. The snowman is back. Now this isn't the one, but it's in here somewhere. I know it is. But the snow builder punch is in here. Or I think it's actually in the main catalog. And then we've got some more here. We got lots of trees. Oh, this paper feels like frost is back. Yay, this was spectacular. I love this paper. Use that like crazy. If you're going to get a paper and you don't know which one, get that one. There's some brush metallic papers in the gold, bronze, and what are they? And copper. And then you've got your fall stamps in here. Got some fall. I ordered this tree one. I thought this tree one was so cute. I did get this one. I thought that you could do just so many things with this tree. So I grabbed that one. Then you got some Halloween paper. I did order these iridescent pearls. I thought those were cool. And then the black glitter paper. Yeah, and this paper is beautiful. I didn't get it yet. Oh, wait, I can't buy everything. I did get the plaid paper. That's another one that you can use on a million different things. I mean, it's so easy to do plaid. Plus, it has lines, so you can line stuff up and it's not crooked. I thought this was cute. I haven't ordered it yet. So a lot of Halloween and fall items. I did get all the jar stuff. Lots to Celebrate. So I did get the Lots to Celebrate, and that matches with the jar punch here. I also bought the jar of flowers. That's, I think, in the other catalog. So that's like, two stamp sets, one punch. That's awesome. And then oh, this is a really cute one, and I should have bought this one, darn it. The mix-up punch. and stamps. I think this is a, nope, these have dies. So this one's really cool. Oh, I kind of kicked myself for not getting that one. Darn it. And I placed my order today, of course. And then there's a coffee one and a snow one. But if you are interested in getting a catalog, email me, Noreen@joyacards.com. Only if you're going to really buy something, because it does cost me. These cost me money, plus it costs for postage. So, or you can go on my Stampin' Up site directly. You can go and see all my card videos at joyofcards.com, and that'll pull up all my YouTube videos. So that's great. So, but this is the new catalog. So I hope you liked it. Bye.